Alright, this is my old motor with no spark plug and no connection to the outside here. I'm not even gonna activate this open switch. I'm not even gonna open this to relieve some back pressure. I'm not even going to relieve this to remove back pressure. Look at how easily this turns. I could do that with one hand. I can feel the exhaust and the thing, you know, sucking up power, sucking up air. But when I do that to the new motor, that doesn't work that way. It's sticky. Okay, going crazy again on this bike. Right now the spark plug is on. These are semi-aligned. You know why? Because I got a problem here in the back. Goodness. I have a problem here in the back. This touches. No matter what I do. I need this to sit up farther. I need this to sit up farther. Out farther. Not too far. Not too far though, because these two have to align. Well, hopefully when I get my new clutch again, my next new clutch, I won't mess around with it. I already have, Joe already sent me this bracket. I'll be able to use it with my new clutch, the one I'll order. Hopefully that aligns and does not let this thing slide on the face. But that ain't my big problem. My big problem right now is that crank. Something's going on there. Okay, I'm going to try to start this thing with the spark plug on. I got stuck in the dojo parking lot for quite a while last time I started this thing. But a cold start, from a cold start, I'll go ahead and depress this, turn this on, turn the key on, turn this on, press the lever to open this thing, and crank it. I'm standing on top of this pedal. It ain't moving. It ain't going anywhere right now. Nothing. So what I do is I crank it. Seems to crank okay, but there's this portion, I'll open this. There's a portion here, actually, there's a portion here that stops. But keep reading, then there's a portion that it's a little bit more difficult to turn, but it turns. Then when I open this all the way, what should happen is you should free this up. But okay, it's going. 3.
Good morning.
Morning.
Package for Dave Alexander.
Oh, thank you.
Have a good day.
Okay, again, we'll do it with the thing closed, with the thing closed, and there's the pressure, back pressure, pressure. Now we'll open it again to relieve that pressure. There's no pressure. Relieving it. I let it go, and the pressure should come back. There it is. There it is. There it is. Now I'll open it again. Just press this lever. This should reduce pressure. Okay, no more pressure again. Get started. Press it, turn it. Goodness gracious, it does not want to move. So, what's going on? This doesn't want to move. Oh, golly. Okay. Alrighty. Release some pressure. Open the valve. Start. Oh man. What's going on there? Let's take this off. And turn this by hand. No, it ain't gonna go anywhere by hand. Now, let's open the valve, the release valve, and turn it by hand. No, that doesn't want to turn either. It will turn when I crank it. Now it's turning, now it won't. That won't turn. That just does not want to turn. Okay, let's take this off. Let's take this off. By hand I'll turn this. Open the valve. I'll turn it by ratchet. Turn okay. Turn it by hand. Cannot. This does not want to turn by hand. Sticky. Now it's turning. Stopped again. It's just sticky here. Something going on there. Okay, that's with the spark plug and the pressure release valve cap on, but with me opening the lever, opening the release valve. Now I'm going to take off the spark plug and I'm going to unscrew the cap for the pressure release thing. I'm going to unscrew this. I'm going to take it off. Actually, unscrew them, and also take my spark plug off to see if I can crank that by hand. Okay, this is off, so no pressure can build there because it's open. This is all off, so no pressure can build here. Oh, this is off because no pressure can build here. This side, the top side, because that's open. So let's see. In theory, this should be cranking by hand easily, moving that piston up and down. But when I move it, okay, it's going, it stops, like there's pressure somewhere. It stopped. Now I'll crank it over that spot where it stops. It's the same spot. Where the hell are my tools? Okay, I'll crank it over the sticky area, and it cranks again. Nope, that's it. Sticky. Cranks. It's doing what it was doing before, just a little smoother. Now it's freewheeling, but to turn it by hand, turning it, it stops as if there was pressure. What is going on there? What's going on there? I can't figure that out. So now I got the thing on without the cap, without the spark plug, and it turns backwards, but will not turn forward. No matter what I do, it ain't gonna turn. Watch. Turning, slipping, turning, and turning. Just will not turn. Meaning, I won't be able to crank that. I won't be able to. I can stand on it, and it won't go. So we know two things. We know that this is misaligned, and I have to get the new clutch to get it aligned, maybe with a new bracket that I already have that Joe sent me. That will stick with or without pressure. Kind of making me suspicious about the crank, the bearing in the crankcase.